Hi all, just show a couple of little tricks I've had that I've come up with. My gimbal cover, I put a bit of ribbon on it using some double-sided tape and to keep the cover on so that I remind to remove the drone, and also a bit of Velcro to hold it all together. Yeah, my clumsy fingers being a bricklayer. And by wrapping it around, it keeps the propellers from flopping around when you go to install it, which has come in handy a few times, trust me. So I find that worked really well. Now my second tip is, being a bricklayer, I've got very clumsy fat fingers. So what I've done is I've put pen tops, just pen tops. You might have to find a pen that fits your paddles, and then I just push them on. But I have a bit of trouble with this one, clumsy fingers and all, but eventually works it out. And I treat the blue one as my head, the red one as my body, so it makes it easier to control the gimbal. Now, and we should go in. Can't see the whole video, but yeah, so the blue one is my head. It looks up and down, looks left, looks right, or yars left, yars right. And the red one is my body. Walks forwards, walks backwards, walks sideways, and walks left. And that's what the drone will do. So here we go, up, pull back on my head, look down, look up, look down. And the drone stays in the same place. And then it will go right. It goes all the way around. And then when you get back to it, you can yar left. And it'll go the other way. Meanwhile, the drone just stays in the same place. So I treat that as my head. I'm not going anywhere. My head's only going up, down, left or right. Now the red one, that's my legs. I want to go forward, I walk forward. I walk backwards, the drone will go backwards. Sorry about the time, is not really spot on. It's my first time, of course, as you can tell. And then I can go right, it'll crab right, so the drone will crab right. And then go left, and the drone will crab left. And that's about all my tips I can help you with at the moment. So I do hope it helps. Take care all. Thanks for watching.